Hello viewers, my name is Vikas and I'm co-founder and CEO at Valiance. We are an AI consulting firm started in 2018 back in India, and our focus has been on building AI applications for our customers. Today we are working primarily across three segments. One is demand and supply planning, that's one of our core segments, and we work across fashion, retail, apparel brands, building demand planning and inventory optimization, forecasting, these type of solutions using AI. And the second and third areas for us is manufacturing and industrial, where we work across metal and mining, chemicals, oil and gas. And the typical solutions are predictive maintenance, industrial, IoT, anomaly detection, quality inspection, and stuff like that. So if I look at our, let's say, focus in manufacturing and industrial, we built an application called Knowledge Miner, which enables plant workers or technicians to query data that sits into, let's say, operational manuals or warranty repairs, all those kind of documents. So instead of, let's say, going back to people or senior supervisors, if they are troubleshooting something or they are fixing a particular physical asset and they need information, that they can go to the platform and they can query, right? Example would be, let's say, I need to fix this problem. So give me instructions, detailed step-by-step instructions. So the bot will give you those instructions. So that's one use case that we are seeing that kind of unlocks the productivity or democratizes the information that sits into unstructured data today. The second use case which we are seeing is the productivity use case. If you are doing a certain task manually, humanly, right, which takes you a certain number of hours, can GenAI do that? We are doing one such use case for one of our public sector clients, where we are automating the data collection part from the documents, compliance documents, and end of the day creating a compliance report, which typically used to take 40 hours for one person to do that. We are doing it under 4 or 5 hours using GenAI. So ingesting all the data, telling the LLMs, okay, which document to go and what information to extract, and then putting together a compliance report. Now, GenAI is one part of it, obviously, but there are other components. You have to build a data pipeline, you have to ingest PDFs, pre-process, and so on. So those are the two use cases we are seeing. The third use case is the conversational AI part, where typically customer service becomes very important. And that's one natural use case which everybody kind of looks at when they're starting. So discovering, enabling your customers, asking information about your products or any kind of information or policies is one other use case. Fourth interesting use case for us is data analysis, call center data analysis, where we are taking in audio data conversations between two speakers, splitting it into two people, and then analyzing, okay, how the call went, what were the emotions, was the SOP being followed or not followed. So these are kind of use cases we are seeing at an enterprise level. Within Valiance, we are using GenAI technologies for productivity use cases, let's say preparing documents or investigating certain documents and so on, or preparing JDs, email campaigns, creating all those copies and so on. So there are a variety of stuff we are doing also internally for ourselves.